Miss Lou, are you ready? You ready for a BATH? You were just in there when Mama was filling up the water. You seemed like you were ready. Huh? What are you going to get after a BATH? You're going to get ice cream, and you love ice cream. You ready? Came to Mama, and you were wagging your taily. I see your tail wagging. You don't mind a bath. You don't. Because you know you're going to get something special after. Yes, nice. Nice. Look at you. Okay.
There she is, all done her bath. She got a little reindeer coat on.
You gonna get a bath? You ready to get a bath? You ready for Mama to give you a bath? And then guess what? What? You gonna get ice cream after? You wanna be a twin like your sister? See, you'll be a reindeer down there. She's giving herself another bath.
What are you doing, licking? What are you doing?
You don't mind a bath.
Okay, I'm just cleaning up while I'm here.
Just make it such a big deal, and it's not.
Just cleaning up while I'm here,
You're
right?
gonna get wet.
You ready?
You're getting wet.
I do not like water.
That tail just
I am a cat dog. I do not like water.
The tail just stays curled.
It'll relax eventually.
Eventually.
Why are you sitting there, Miss Zulu? What's going on? Yeah, one tail straightened out a little bit.
A little bit. It'll never fully straighten. But he's almost done. We're going on to cream rinse.
All right.
Then he's going to come out as he's going to transform into a reindeer.
Look at the reindeer. Look at you. Look at you, buddy. Look at you. And your sister, too. All right, I think it's ice cream time, right? Who wants ice cream?
I have two reindeers here. Huh? Come here. Is Santa recruiting you early? Look at you. Aw. This was a gift from, what is it? Patron Cloak?
Patron.
Patron Cloak? Oh ho ho. Kissable mint. Oh, look at you. You're ready to kiss, huh? You ready for some ice cream? All right, let's get it. Oh yeah, filled to the brim. Look at that. Zinj, ready? You ready, Zinj? Zulu, look at them. They're already running. Ready. Ice cream, look at you dancing already. Okay, down. Yep, there you go, buddy. Oh my goodness, he's so happy.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and we hope you have a great day.